How to add WIC Card to Walmart app. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, we gotta download and open the Walmart app if you haven't already. You wanna get it from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. And the second step is just signing into your account. Now, in the third step, we have to access payment methods. You wanna go to the main menu, typically the three horizontal lines at the top left or the bottom right corner. And then you will tap on account or wallet depending on the version of the app. To add a payment method for the WIC card, in the wallet section you can typically add different payment methods. However, the Walmart app may not directly support adding a WIC card as it does with credit or debit card. If you're shopping for WIC approved items, you may need to select pickup and delivery and choose a store that allows WIC payments for in-store pickup. The fifth step is shopping for WIC eligible items. If your local Walmart allows you to pay using your WIC card in the app, you can shop for WIC approved items in the grocery section. Make sure to check that the store supports WIC for online orders. Some items eligible for WIC will be marked with a label indicating WIC eligibility. For in-store use, if the Walmart app doesn't allow you to use WIC for online purchases, you can still use your WIC card in-store. When shopping in-store, select your WIC approved items and head to the checkout. Swipe your WIC card and ensure that the items are processed as WIC approved at the register. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.